Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model, GG0663S in color code 004. It's an ivory color frame. It's a black temples with the gold Gucci logo on the side. This frame is made in Italy. The lenses are a gray silver mirror color with a Gucci logo engraved on the top right lens. Up here we have the velvet Gucci cases. Colors may vary with purchases, as well as a pouch to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.